Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to download Arduino IDE and program it with ESP8266. First you want to go to Google and type Arduino IDE. Then you want to select the first option. Then go to software. Then choose Windows. In the download option, you can choose your OS. It will ask for donation, you can put just download. Now see the file is downloading. After downloading it, you want to click the application and click the run. Then you want to agree with the terms and conditions and install it. It will take some time. Now see the application is installed. Click finish. Then you want to change it into the ESP8266 version. So you want to go to file, go to preferences, and you can see additional board manager URL. I will put it in the description. You want to copy it and paste it in the additional manager URL. And go to tools and go to boards and go to board manager. Then you want to type ESP8266. Then you can see the software. I already installed it. You want to install. Then I will teach you the main area. First, it has two division. Division one is called void setup. The void setup is the main area where the code is written. Next, the void loop. Void loop is nothing but where the code is written, it will do again and again like a loop. Next, you can see new sketches open in the files area. Examples, code, close, save as, and quit. Next, I will show you how to connect a LED in the NodeMCU by blinking the LED. First, you want to connect the ESP8266 in the small breadboard. Then, you want to connect G and D ground to the cathode of the LED and D4 to the anode of the LED. Then connect the LED. Then plug it into your computer and select to the board. Select other board and port. You want to put NodeMCU ESP8266 and select your port. And I already copied the code, so I am pasting the code. Then click the arrow button. It will upload the code to the main board. Now you can see in the output button it will be going the code to the board. See, after finishing it, you can see the LED is blinking. Thank you. In this video, we covered about Arduino IDE and ESP8266.